use it to make the surface of water. Okay, so for this next round of hacks, we're gonna look at cool, smart, and easy ways to use different Lego pieces in ways you probably didn't know. This first piece is a curved wall panel, and if you lay it sideways, you could actually fill it with water and turn it into something like a bathtub. Or if you put a tiny slope piece above water, it looks like there's a shark underneath the water and it's about to attack someone. If you take this yellow crystal piece, you can use it to make French fries. I'm loving it. Or if you take this Lego scrub hat, it looks like a giant dumpling. Another useful Lego piece is a broken eggshell, and because of its interesting, unique shape, you can use it to build something like a beautiful flower. If you have transparent orange pieces, you can actually spread them around a build to make lava. So here's a tiny living room where the floor is covered in it, kind of like what I imagined in my childhood. If you have these palm leaves, instead of turning them into a tree, you can actually use them to make the roof of a building. Like I built this tropical one that you'd probably see on the beach. If you have a grill piece, you can use it to make other Lego pieces stand up, like this fish that now looks like it's jumping out of water, or these glass pieces to make a window. If you have this Lego lifesaver piece, you can use it for the rim of a basketball hoop, or you can use it for the lid of a toilet. To go with the toilet, you can use a round brick for toilet paper. You can also make toilet paper using the door of a car. And just to make people angry, I put it the opposite way. Or if you take one of these dome pieces, you can use it for a toilet plunger. If you want to make a window look like it's broken, just scatter a bunch of transparent pieces around it. You can also use them to make objects look like they're flying, like this bird. So here's a small build I made. It's an angry anime person breaking through a wall, and there's debris flying through the air. If you take the hilt of a Lego lightsaber, you can use it to make other minifig accessories, like a flashlight or a candle. For this next hack, you can take a hollow round Technic piece and use it as a cup for a minifig. You can also use flat blue pieces to build something like a puddle of water. If you take any flat round piece, you can use it as a plate to hold food. This next trick involves Spider-Man, because if you take his string, you can use it to build something like colorful lights for a party. If you pull rim pieces off the wheel of a car, you can use them for burners on a stove. Another piece on vehicles is a steering wheel. Fun fact, the wheel can actually pop off, and you can use it for many things, like the valve on this oxygen tank. You can also take a tiny wheel off a car and place it on a minifig head to look like a headband. Or if you take a car window, you can use it to build something like a small fish tank. These are small tooth pieces, and if you have a winter themed build, you can use them to make tiny icicles. If you have these curved slope pieces, you can actually use it for a loaf of bread. And if you take a window piece with glass in it, you can build a sink that looks like it's full of water. Or if you take a small horn piece, you can put it in a coffee mug and it looks like the drink is warm and there's steam coming out. If you have a larger horn piece like this in brown, you can use it to build the trunk of a tree. Or you can use a brightly colored antenna piece to build something like a laser for a gun. A chain is another useful piece, and if you have two of them, you can build something like a playground swing for a minifig. This next life hack involves a flashlight. Shoot, I can't see. What is that? Because if you